started with me. With how much money did you took from us? Flood control projects is 500 billion. PhilHealth funds is 60 plus billion. GSAS, SSS, PDIC, you're not supposed to start to take those money, especially PhilHealth. It is unconstitutional to take excess money from PhilHealth and put it in the fucking infrastructure na ghost project naman. Do you think we're bobos? No, we're not. We're not idiots. Maalam kami dahil may YouTube University. Accessible sa marami. Huwag nyo kaming lukuhin. Nakakagalit. At kapag galit na kami kayo. Galit na kami sa inyo. Ito ang tanda nyo. Siguruhin nyo lang na kayang pasakayin sa mga private jets nyo lahat ng relatives nyo. Because taong bayan will show no mercy when the time comes. Tandaan nyo yan. Enjoy nyo